In this video, I'll show you how to share plans with EventDraw Live Sharing Feature. Sharing plans is a great way to collaborate with your team members or clients, and it's really easy to do. Let's get started. So, start by clicking the Share Plan purple button. This will open a pop-up asking you to save the plan before proceeding. Click the Yes button to save it. Next, enter the event information and date in the provided fields. This will help your team members or clients know what the plan is for and when it's happening. Now, you will see the option to toggle the Share Plan feature on or off. Once the Share Plan feature is on, you can click the Copy Link button to generate a live link to the plan. Afterwards, by clicking on the Open button, you'll be able to view a preview. This action will launch a fresh window where you can see the plan in view mode. As soon as you share the live link to your team members or clients, they too will be able to access the plan in view mode. Now, if you want your client or team members to edit the plan, you can allow them to do so by turning on the Allow to Edit the Plan option. This will allow your client to modify the plan, including tables, chairs, and layers. Another great feature of sharing plans is the ability to control the visibility of layers. You can click the tick box on your layer and choose which one you want your clients or team members to see. This will help you focus their attention on a specific plan. That's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now easily share plans with your team members or clients using EventDraw. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or comments.